Question number 23. Out of 5 mathematicians and 7 statisticians, a committee consisting of 2 mathematicians and 3 statisticians is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done? If any mathematician and any statistician can be included, one particular statistician must be on the committee, 2 particular mathematicians cannot be on the committee. So write down first step. First step. Two mathematicians out of 5. 2 mathematicians out of 5 can be selected in 5C2 ways. 2 mathematicians out of 5 can be selected in 5C2 ways. Next step. 3 statisticians out of 7. 3 statisticians out of 7 can be selected in 7C3 ways. 3 statisticians out of 7 can be selected in 7-3C ways. To total number of possible selections. Total number of possible selections. Multiply these two. You will get 350. Then second point. 2 mathematicians can be selected out of 5 mathematicians in 5C2 ways. 2 mathematicians can be selected out of 5 mathematicians in 5C2 ways, and 2 additional statisticians can be selected in 6C2 ways. 2 additional statisticians, 5C2 ways. If you multiply these two, you will get 150. Then third point. 2 mathematicians out of 3. 2 mathematicians out of 3. 3C2 ways. 3 statisticians out of 7. 7-3 ways. If you simplify this, you will get 105. All these are total number of possible selections. 350, 150, 105, total number of possible selections. So answer is 350, 150, 105. Question number 24. A speaks the truth in 60% of the cases and B speaks the truth in 70% of the cases. In what percentage of cases they are likely to contradict with each other in stating the same fact? They will contradict with each other only when one of them speaks the truth and other person speaks a lie. Question says contradicting with each other. They will contradict with each other only when one of them speaks the truth and other person speaks the lie. So first step, probability that A speaks the truth and B speaks a lie. Probability that A speaks the truth and B speaks a lie. A is speaking truth in 60% of the cases, B is speaking truth in 70% of the cases, implies 30% of the cases he is lying. A speaks truth in 60% of the cases and B is speaking the truth in 70% of the cases, which implies B is speaking lie in 30% of the cases. This comes to 18 by 100. Then B speaks the truth and A speaks a lie. B speaks the truth and A speaks a lie. This comes to 28 by 100. Since the events are mutually exclusive, you must apply addition theorem. Since events are mutually exclusive, you must apply addition theorem. This comes to 46 by 100. He is asking percentage. For converting a fraction into a percentage, multiply by 100. For converting a fraction into a percentage, multiply by 100. So answer is 46%. That is multiple choice C. Question number 25. A salesman has a 60% chance of making a sale to each of the customer. The behavior of successive customers is independent. If two customers A and B enter, what is the probability that the salesman will make a sale to either A or B? Two customers are there, 60% chance is there, that means 40% chance is not there. 60% chance is there, that means chance is not there. So 16 by 100 no chance, that means 84 by 100 chances are there. 16 by 100 no chance, that means 84 by 100 chances are there. 84 100 is nothing but 0.84, so answer is multiple choice D, 0.84. What is the probability of getting a sum of 9 from the two throws of a dice? A dice has 6 faces. A dice has 6 faces. So 2 dice has 12 faces. So 2 dices can be thrown in 6 into 6, 36 ways. 2 dices can be thrown in 6 and 6, that is 36 ways. Now question says sum of 9. Sum means addition. So 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. So 4 possibilities are there, that is 4 by 36, that is 1 by 9. Question number 27. 2 dices are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is even? There he is asking sum, here he is asking product. So answer will be 27 by 36. So answer will be 27 by 36. Thus comes to 3 by 4. Question number 28. From a pack of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn together at random. What is the probability that both the cards drawn are being kings? Total cards are 52. So 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 C2 ways. 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 C2 ways. And 2 kings can be drawn out of 4 kings in 4 C2 ways. So probability will be 4 C2 by 52 C2. The probability will be 4 C2 by 52 C2. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 1 by 221. That is multiple choice D. 2 cards are drawn together from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that one is a spade and one is a heart? 2 cards are together from a pack of 52 cards. 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 C2 ways. 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 C2 ways. One is a spade, one is a heart. There will be 13 space cards. There will be 13 heart cards. So 13 C1 into 13 C1 by 52 C2. 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 C2 ways. And there will be 13 spade cards and 13 this one. So 13 C1 into 13 C1. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 13 by 102. That is multiple choice D. Question number 30. A box contains 5 green, 4 yellow and 3 white marbles. 3 marbles are drawn at random. What is the probability that they are not of the same color? Underline not of the same color. Underline not of the same color. 5 green, 4 yellow, 3 white. So total marbles are 12. So total marbles are 52, 12. So we are drawing 2. So this is 5C3 plus 4C3 plus 3C3. 5 green, 4, 5 green, 4 yellow, 3 white. If you simplify this, you will get 3 by 44. You will get 3 by 44. This is of the same color. They are asking not of the same color. So from 1, if you subtract this, for that shortcut is available. From denominator, subtract the numerator. From denominator, subtract the numerator. 41 by 44. So answer is 41 by 44. Question number 31. A bag contains 4 white, 5 red and 6 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. The probability that all of them are red. Total balls are 15. Question number 30. Question number 30. Total balls are 15. We are drawing 3 balls, so 15C3, and they are asking red balls, so 5C3. So 5C3. Question number 32. A bag contains 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue? Total number of balls are 7. Total number of balls are 7. So probability will be 5C2 by 7C2. Probability will be 5C2 by 7C2. This comes to 10 by 21. That is multiple choice A. Question number 33. A committee of 4 used to be formed from among 4 girls and 5 boys. What is the probability that the committee will have number of boys less than that of girls? First step. Selection of 1 boy and 3 girls can be done in 5C1 into 4th ways. Selection of 1 boy and 3 girls can be done in 5C1 and 4th ways. This comes to 20 ways. Now selection of 4 girls and 1 boy. Selection of 4 girls and 1 boy. This is 5C0 into 4C4. This is 20, this is 121. Now without any restriction, you can form a committee in 9C4 ways. Without any restriction, you can form a committee in 9C4 ways. If you simplify this, this will become 126. Simplify this, it will become 126. So what is the probability? 21 by 126. What is the probability? 20 plus 1, 21 by 126. That is 1 by 6. Question number 34. A box contains 4 black, 3 red and 5 green balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that both the balls are of the same color? 4 black, 3 red and 12 green balls. So total balls are 12. So 2 balls can be drawn out of 12 balls in 12C2 ways. 2 balls can be drawn out of 12 balls in 12C2 ways. And these 2 balls can also be drawn 4C2 plus 3C2. 4C2 plus 3C2 plus 5C2. So this comes to 19 ways. So this comes to 19 ways. This is 66. So required probability is equal to 19 by 66. Required probability is equal to 19 by 66. So answer is 19 by 66, multiple choice B. Question number 35. In a box carrying a dozen of oranges, one third have become bad. If 3 oranges are taken out at random, what is the probability that at least one orange out of the 3 picked is good? So probability at least one is good. That is 1 minus 4C3 by 12C3. 3 oranges are this one. Dozen is there. So dozen means 12. So if you simplify this, you will get 54 by 55. If you simplify this, you will get 54 by 55. So answer is 54 by 55. That is multiple choice C. Question number 36. A bag contains 5 red and 8 black balls. 2 draws of 3 balls each are made. The ball being replaced. After the first draw, what is the chance that the balls were red in the first draw and black in the second draw? 5C3 by 13C3 into 8C3 by 13C3. Question number 37. A bag contains 6 red and 3 white balls. 4 balls are drawn out one by one and not replaced. What is the probability that they are alternately of different colors? Red, white, these are called RW, red you can take. Red, white, or you can take W, that is white and red. Suppose you assume you are drawn red ball first. Suppose you assume if you are drawn, then the probability will be 6 by 9 into 3 by 8 into 5 by 7 into 2 by 6 into 2 by 6. This is equal to 5 by 84 is equal to 5 by 84. Similarly, if it is a white ball, it will be 3 by 9 into 5 by 8 into 2 by 7 into 4 by 6. 3 by 9 into 6 by 8, 7 into 5 by 6. This also comes to 5 by 84. Both are mutually exclusive, so you must apply addition theorem. Both are mutually exclusive, you must apply addition theorem. So required probability is 5 by 42. So answer is 5 by 42.